Do not start drop shipping on TikTok Shop. Just give me 15 seconds and I'm gonna show you 5 important reasons why you should not start drop shipping on there. And I'm gonna give you an alternative to make more money. So first things first, in order to start drop shipping, you have to ask yourself, well, first off, if you are gonna do TikTok drop shipping on TikTok Shop, right? How fast can you get approved? And then you can see right here on Google, it says it takes 1 to 5 business days to get approved on TikTok Shop. There's no way you can start drop shipping waiting that long in order to start making money online, right? So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2, if you are already own a TikTok dropshipping shop, you can't own anymore, and that sucks. What if you have a jewelry business that you want to sell different kind of other stuff as well? How are you supposed to test out different products? So that's reason number 2 right there. Do not use TikTok Shop, right? Here's another one. What is the limit on TikTok when you're starting to do drop shipping? You can only make 50 orders per day. 50 orders per day? What is that, right? How are you supposed to make money online using 50 orders per day? And God forbid anybody have any problems with their orders or try to send something back or make a complaint, you really gonna get shut down before you even can get started, right? Secret number 3. Here goes another one right here. How fast can you get paid on TikTok Shop, right? Right here it says you can get paid up to 14 business days on TikTok Shop. How are you supposed to start drop shipping when you gotta wait for your money for 14 days? That's not how drop shipping works, right? So that's reason number 4 right there. And here's another one. How fast can you get banned? As you can see right here, everybody's saying they got their stuff banned. They got their stuff banned. This guy says, I got my TikTok Shop banned. And as you can see, I had to change everything, get everything brand new. New phone, new email, new name, new computer, new everything because of TikTok Shop. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys why not to use TikTok Shop for dropshipping, and I'm gonna have something instead that you guys can literally start today, and it can be up and running, and you can start making money right now instead of waiting 14 days for it. Does that sound good? All right, let me show you exactly what it is. So the first things first, as you guys can see right here, this is what we're going to create right here. We're going to create this one product page. Now look how dope this page is, okay? This page is absolutely sick. We have all of the products right here. We have the images. Look how beautiful these images are, selling this jewelry right here. And as you can see, we have a video right in the middle. We got a payment right here on the right-hand side, and it just doesn't get any better than that. Up and running in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down in the description so you guys can go ahead and get this page. It's called SwapFunnels. And if you guys do click that link inside the description, I will give you this very same page right here. But let me show you how to set it up, okay? Now, if you guys don't know what drop shipping is, let me show you real quick. So in order to do drop shipping, first thing you have to do is understand what kind of products you want to sell, right? So as we're right here on Etsy, I'm on Etsy because I know that there might be holidays come up, like one of the important ones is Valentine's Day, right? And so we're thinking about moms, or we're thinking about gifts, right? And they like jewelry, right? So I'm on Etsy right here and I see all of these different kind of pieces of jewelry that I can possibly go ahead and start drop shipping, right? So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and pick a piece of jewelry. And now once I'm on the product page, as you guys can see, this is the very same product that I just showed you that was already on the website that I created. Now, as you can see, yes, you might be saying to yourself, wow, you took those pictures. Well, I mean, how else are you going to drop ship? You can't drop ship with no random pictures. You have to use the pictures from the owner's shop in order for you to go ahead and start drop shipping. You need those pictures so you can send customers to their shop, or the customers can pay you so you can pay that shop owner, right? And so as you can see right here, this is the type of product that I went ahead and started using for my dropshipping business. Now, in order to get started, we have to create the page, right? And as you can see here, this is that very same page, but this page is empty. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I was able to set up that page in a matter of just a couple seconds or a couple minutes, right? If you're new to it, and you can be up and running in less than 14 days and get your money in the very same day. So let me show you guys exactly how I was able to do that. So the first things first, I came over here to these images, and as you can see, all of these images right here is dummy images. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete these dummy images. I'm gonna go ahead and add some new ones. All right, great. So the images have been added. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload that very same video. And now that I have the video uploaded, I'm gonna come down here to overlay and remove this. And then boom, we are good to go here. Now right here, it says your product name. We can actually go ahead and put our store name right here, or the Necklace Palace. So just as simple as that. And we can go over here and put our logo right here. And now we can just put a background back here. Now we can easily come to AI right here and ask AI to give us a badass background just like that. And that background looks pretty dope. Now, as you guys can see right here at the top, we have eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. Now, what we can also do to make sure we get every single sale from every single person that comes to our site, we can also be an affiliate marketer at the very same time as trying to drop ship. Now, let me guys show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if I were to go back over here to this product listing page right here, I can simply copy the link right here. I can come back over to my site, go over here, paste the link in. Once the link has been pasted, now if somebody were to come to my site and they click that Etsy, boom, they can go straight to that Etsy person's store and they can buy from there and I receive a commission. Of course, you want to be an Etsy affiliate first, because if you just copying and pasting links from the top, it's not going to work. You're not going to receive any money from that. Now, as you guys can see over here on the right hand side, I have my checkout. Now, if I press settings on the checkout, I can easily come over here to the very top too. It says product 1 and product 2. And right here is where I choose my product, gold necklace. They can pay in full right here. And the second one is gold necklace. They can do in payments. Now, let me show you exactly how I was able to do that. So I came over here and I'm able to create any product that I want. There's no bans, there's no restrictions. You can do whatever you want, okay? Now, right over here, I typed in gold necklace just like that. And over here, you can make a subscription if you want. You can make a payment plan, and that's what I did. So I created one gold necklace payment plan, one gold necklace, a one-time payment, $200. And once I had those, all I did was change it and put it right here, and that's how that was done. So I have my gold necklace paid in full. Right here, you have the price. So as we go back on the Etsy store, you saw that it was $150. So how are we going to make a profit? We want to make a $50 profit, right? So I'm gonna come over here. I'm going to change the price to $200, so I can change it to $250. How much ever guys money that you guys want to make, right? So we'll leave it at $200 for now. We have the name of the necklace right here, and right here we can put some quick testimonials about the product. Now, here's a cool part that no store, no Shopify, no TikTok shop, no Etsy, nobody has this, and I'm going to show you how cool this part is. Check this out. So as you guys can see right here, this little box right here, this is like an upsell. So imagine you go into McDonald's, right? And you go get yourself a meal, and they say, hey, would you a sandwich or a burger? They say, hey, would you like fries with that? Would you like a drink with that? And you'd be like, well, yeah. It's one of those yes or no type of actions right here, and it's called an order bump. Okay, now right here it says I'm doing an order bump for a bracelet. Now you got the chain. Would you like the bracelet as well? It's a matching bracelet. Would you like that? Right? And so right here, as you can see, it says check this box to also get the matching bracelet for $97. Now how cool is that? That all they have to do is press one single button and then they get a bracelet for $97. Now as you can see how easy this page is done, I also have this page right here. So it's already finished, and this is the completed version of that very same page. Now as you can see, if you scroll down just like this, all they have to do, as you can see right here at the top, we have the payment section. There's $200. You can pay in 4 payments of $50, or you can just pay one-time fee, and you can see the price change right here. Now let's just say they wanted to pay the whole one-time fee, right, of $200 because they got it. If they want to get the matching bracelet as well, all they have to do is fill out their information and click this little button right here, and look how easy you just made $97 just that quick. All they did was press one single button, and that's it. You can't get that type of order bump or make that type of money on any other place, especially not no TikTok shop. And here's the cool part. Not only can you sell this product with that empty page that I showed you, you can sell as many products as you want with as many pages as you want, as long as you want to, right? It's up to you. There is no limit. You get your money right away, and you don't have to wait to get approved. You can actually start drop shipping today if you wanted to. Now, if you guys are interested in drop shipping and learning all about it, be sure to click the link below. I have a free ebook that you guys can have, just my way of saying thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channels. So be sure to click the link in the description and get that free ebook, okay? Now, once you guys are finished with your page and the customer comes over here, they wind up paying you money, right? And as you can see right here, we got a order from a customer, Sarah. We got an email, and then boom, as you can see right here, she paid $200, and right here she also bought the bracelet for $97, and therefore I made $297 just like that. And now once we have Sarah's money, mind you, because we get the money instantly, so once we have Sarah's money, we can now come back over to Etsy, put in Sarah's information right here into that Etsy store seller shop, and now we can press continue to payment, and we can pay, and the seller on Etsy is going to ship Sarah's necklace straight to sour, and there's really nothing much we have to do, right? We're done. We made our money in between, we're done, and that's exactly how you drop ship. Now, mind you, if we're back on our page, and you guys can see right here at the top, if they go ahead and press Etsy, watch this. I press that Etsy button, it takes me right here. So now, not only am I selling, drop shipping a product, right? But I'm also being an affiliate market at the very same time. You can't do that with TikTok Shop or Shopify. You can't do that at all, but you can do that on SwapFunnels. So if you guys are interested in receiving SwapFunnels, I mean, this page is already done for you. Usually you get the pages, right, with nothing on it. But if you guys go right now and sign up for SwapFunnels, I will give you this very same page already set up. I won't change anything on here. You can change it if you want to, and you'll have a store up and running in no time. So how does that sound? Does that sound good? Great. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you learned something. If you're interested in SwapFunnels, please be sure to click the link down below. Go ahead and get your store. It's fully built. There's nothing you have to do. All you gotta do is swap out the images and the text. If you guys are interested in learning more about dropshipping, I created a free ebook just for you, just for saying thank you so much. It's right here. So be sure to click the link down below inside of the description in order to get it for free. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the very next video.